It is 6:12 right now in the morning. We're getting ready to, or at least I'm getting ready to head up to the fishing spot. I'll get back to you guys when I stop at the bait shop. We just got the bait. We got some crappie minnows and a couple more rosies, since that's what they were hitting the last time I was up here. And see you at the lake. Well guys, we're on the ice right now. It took me a little longer than expected. Just wasn't marking the fish. Finally marked some fish, so hopefully we can catch them. They're not really biting, but we can only hope maybe we'll catch them. Well, I didn't have the camera rolling, but we got our first perch here today. Not a huge one, but we'll put him back. Here we go. Now we got one. We got another one. Seems like a decent sized one. Oh yeah. Big one. Jumbo perch here. Big old perch. I've decided we are keeping them today. That's two. There's still more down there. Let's catch them. You know, every time I keep trying to tying on a different, I guess this is a different pole, I keep trying to tie on a tungsten jig, and every time I do that, the fish keep coming. So I guess I just have to keep doing that and I'll catch them. Got a whole school of them. Here we go. Got another one. Ooh, this is a nice one here. Big one. Yep. Not bad. Number 3. We're marking some more here. Took a little bit. I think we got another school. Got him. Must be right on some weeds. Got a weed in his mouth. Never mind, I might just flip. So you got attacked. Still got a bunch down there. Let's go for some more. That's 4 now. Those are all good eaters. Fry them up later. Right now I'm using these tungsten jigs I got for Christmas for my uncle, so shout out to him. Let's give you an idea. This is what I'm using with rosies, so red spikes. Last time I was here, the red spikes were a huge hit, so they're pounding them. Today has been the same case. So. Well, we haven't caught anything in a while, so I'm gonna move locations and hopefully we can mark some more fish and I can give you more. We're only at 4 right now, so got on some fish here again. Just caught one, but wasn't a keeper, so I put it back. I pounded that. We're about to grab another one here. So we're up to 6 of them now. 7 on the day. Well guys, we ended the day with 23 fish, so I'm gonna call it a day. Limit is 25, but I don't need to clean that many. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe down below and comment any suggestions else you want me to try out as an activity during winter break. I will try to do some, a couple buddies of mine, we're gonna go try and to a shooting range and do some plinking. You might be able to see that. So thanks for tuning in and have a good day.